What's going on, everybody? 𝐘𝐨𝐮'𝐫𝐞, aka the Rebinary Master. Super excited to be sharing this XRP USDT update with you guys. So when it comes to XRP, we're actually at a very interesting area, in my opinion. Based off my analysis, what I'm seeing is we were in this consolidation formation for a very long time, guys. 190 candles, which we are on the daily time frame, which represents 190 days that we are consolidating within this range. And as price got to the bottom of this range down here, we found that we started finding a uptrend of support, right, where we were creating higher lows on the way up. And price action was creating lower highs all the way until this area over here, where we see this massive bullish engulfing candle breaking through this trend resistance, and breaking through this structure resistance, right? We have a resistance area here, which represents 50% of this imbalance, right? You guys see that? 50% of this imbalance of this down move here was respected here. Price respected it, came down, created a higher low before pushing up and now creating a higher high. So I was waiting for XRP to come back and retest. I did not anticipate for it to happen the very next day, but we are here, in my opinion. I'm going to go down to the smaller time frames and share with you guys what I'm seeing since we've broken out of this formation, out of this pattern. And the interesting thing about, triangles or formations like flags is that the move to the upside is usually the distance from the high to the low point or middle point of this. So if we take this from our breakout, we can anticipate a price rally or a price target of this region here, which is 58 cents, okay? So that's one area where we could expect or anticipate price to come up to. Now to find our entry. So when I go down, we're on the daily here. We see that we have a clear break of structure, clear break of trend. Price is coming back now. Now I'm going to go down to this lower time frames and show you what I see on the hour time frame. Well, on the hour time frame, we have this nice area where price action has broken out of, right? I'll show you guys where price action broke out of. And now price action is coming back to retest this area, right? So I start looking for areas of rejection, areas of interest on the higher time frame or on the lower time frame, excuse me. Now we are in a uptrend. We know that we broke out on the daily. So on the hour time frame, we're going to be looking for buys, okay? We missed our first entry off of this imbalance down here. Now this pull down was a retest of this structure of this previous breakout and 50% of the imbalance of this candle here. So it was a beautiful reaction here. So now that we know that we're starting to get a reaction or a rejection here, and we know that we are looking to be bullish because we broke out to the upside and that we're looking for buys, now I go down to the lower time frames to find potential entries. And when I go to the 15-minute, I see kind of the same thing that I saw in the hour, right? Because an hour time frame has 4 15-minute candles represent one 1 hour time frame candle. So this is just a little more drawn out when we look at it on the 15-minute time frame. But what I do see is a significant pattern where price is creating higher lower highs and lower lows, and it's staying within this pennant or flag formation. Now real quick, um, let me go to what I'm doing is I'm bringing up bullish chart patterns so I could show you guys. Boom. So here we've had our breakout, then we've had our price push up, and now we're seeing kind of the same thing formation as we are here as we are on XRP, right? We had price rally to the upside, and now we have a on this example of Euro USD, we see price action creating lower highs and also lower lows, staying within a, a resistance and a support, creating a channel, which we see here, creating a channel. So when I am looking for an entry, yes, the bottom of the channel would have been a sniper entry. I missed that entry, so I'm looking at the 5-minute and I want to see what we got going on. So when I look at the 5-minute time frame, I see that we've rejected the channel 3-4 times and then created a bullish engulfing candle. So we've created an order block down here at the bottom of the trend and the bottom of this channel. So our entry, if we miss this entry, we can get in when price pulls back. Well, price has pulled back now, and to be on the safe side, I'm going to put my stop loss below this wick, and this is a good setup, right? Anything 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk reward is a good setup in my opinion, and good risk management. So if you're risking 0.25% and you go for 1 to 3, you're gonna make 0.75% potentially. If you go to 1 to 4 and you risk 0.25% of your account size and it hits your take profit, you're gonna make 1%. But if it goes against us and goes the opposite direction, then yes, unfortunately, we're going to lose the 0.25%. But 1 to 3 to 1 to 4 risk reward is worth the shot. To be on the safer side of this trade, if you don't want to take an early entry, the idea best entry would be something like this, where we have, let me just draw this channel line out a little bit longer, where we have price action break through, again, break through this channel. And because price had been respecting it so strong and consistently throughout this whole move, that once it breaks it, I do anticipate price to pull back to the channel, and this would be your optimal entry, right? So you would look to get in the market if you see confirmation, maybe a bullish engulfing candle, maybe a doji, back-to-back dojis, or some type of rejection here, when after price breaks out of this channel, comes back, retest. Now, cryptocurrency is not like Forex pairs. Sometimes when it breaks out, it just doesn't come back to retest and it just goes. So, you always take a chance of missing it if you wait for the retest, right? So again, I'm in personally. I do believe this is a good risk to reward trade. If this is going to be our new low, a higher low, then we should start seeing price increase over the course of the next few hours. But this is my analysis, guys. I hope this makes sense. Hope it, from top down, showing it from what it looks like at the daily. We were in a strong consolidating formation where we had price break out and break above. We had price action come back and pull back already, and filling some of this imbalance that I had created previously. this candle, and now this second candle has stalled again, right where this previous daily wick was created, and above our previous resistance. So with all that said, there is a likelihood, right, that price action could come all the way back down to the trend line. If it does come back down to the trend line, then I would be looking to take another entry, would be stopped out of our one trade, and then we would look to buy down here, right? So that is my trading plan for XRP. If we're going to be bullish from where we're at, price is going to continue to rally now. If price comes below and starts closing beneath this trend line and this channel, it's going to stop us out, and price is going to drop to our next optimal entry, in my opinion. So that's my trading plan for XRP. I'm in now because there is a high probability of confluence where price just continues to push up, and we're going to target our previous resistance area as our take profit. And feel free to trail your stop loss, always take partials, always secure the bag when in profit. Never let a good trade go bad. But with that said, guys, I appreciate you. Hope this makes sense. Hopefully you caught some value. If you did, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one. Bye for now.